Extensive exercises. Question number 1 in lesson 5. Roy uses 4 identical standard dice to build the solid shown in the diagram. Whenever 2 dice touch, the number on the touching faces are the same. The numbers on some of the faces of the solid are shown. What number is written on the face marked with a question mark? So, you see, I just separate these 4 dice in terms of their position. This is dice A, this is dice B, this is dice C, and this one is dice D. So, in my 4 identical dice, this one will be A, B, C, D, respectively. And we know that on a standard dice, the number of opposite faces add up to 7. So, because you see, as for this dice A, the front face is 1, so this is 1. That means the back face must be 6. And because we know that the touching faces are always the same, so it means this one is also 6 for dice D, the front face. So, let's say, as for dice B, the front face is 2, and that means the back face is 5. Okay, and the front face of the C will be 5 as well, because they touch with each other. And for this one, you see, because this is 3, and that means this must be 4. So the right face of dice A will be 4 as well. So now I'm going to change the color. The top face of dice B is 6, so the bottom face of dice B is 1. Okay, so let's take a look at this dice C. Because the right face of dice C is 4, so the left face of dice C will be 7 take away 4, you got 3. And that means this is 3 here. Of dice D, the right face of dice D is number 3. So you see, about dice D, we got 2 faces, which is 3 and 6. And because all of these 4 dices, they are exactly the same, the position of numbers. So if you take a look at the dice B here, and you can take out your right hand and you try to grab this cube from number 3 to number 6. And you see, if you want to use your 4 fingers, except your thumb, to grab this dice B from number 3 to number 6 in that direction, the direction of your thumb will give you number 2. So, using the same method, if you go to dice D, you can take out your right hand and try to grab this one from face number 3 to number 6. Okay? So you see, the direction of your thumb leads you to the bottom face, and that one will be number 2. So it means the bottom face of this dice D will be number 2. So as for the top face, there'll be 7 take away 2, so that's how you get 5. So the answer will be 5, which is B here.